Ready to transform a simple circle into a stunning, realistic ball in Adobe Illustrator. First, let's create our base. Select the ellipse tool from the toolbar. It's usually nested under the rectangle tool. Click and drag on your artboard while holding down the shift key. This constrains your shape to a perfect circle. Release your mouse once you've drawn the desired size. Now, let's add some color in the properties panel on the right, or using the fill and stroke options at the top. Select a base color for your ball. I'm choosing a medium blue. Next, we'll add our shading. Click on the gradient panel. It's often found alongside the properties panel. We're going to use a radial gradient for this. Click on the default gradient style. Your circle should now have a gradient applied. You can adjust the color stops in the gradient panel to customize your shading. Double-click on the color stop and replace the white with a darker shade of your base color. Then, double-click the other color stop and select a lighter shade. Almost white. This gives us the illusion of light hitting the ball. Adjust the position of the color stops by dragging them to fine-tune the highlight and shadow. For a super realistic effect, let's take it a step further using the 3D Revolve effect. Select your circle, then go to Effect greater than 3D and Materials greater than Revolve. A window will appear in this window. Adjust the angle and the position of the surface of the 3D shape. Click OK once you're happy with the result, and that's it. With these techniques, you can create incredible vector balls. Experiment with different colors and gradients to create amazing designs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials.